DJI has officially set a date for its Osmo Pocket 4 on April 16, 2026 at 12 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. This launch is one of the most anticipated events in the tech world. Rumors have it we are getting two types of Pocket 4 this year, the standard Pocket 4 and 4 Pro. On the other hand, Insta360 has also decided to join this Pocket game with their Luna. In this video, we are going to talk about Pocket 4's confirmed specs, what's the difference between Pocket 4 and 4 Pro, and of course compare it with Insta360 Luna's rumored specs. Let's begin. And today's video is sponsored by no one. If you want to book this spot, just mail us. When we look under the hood at the sensor and image quality, the improvements are impressive. The Pocket 4 will continue to use a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is already massive for a camera this size. But the magic lies in the processing power. The new model is rumored to support 14 stops of dynamic range, a big step up from the 12.6 stops found in the previous version. This means the camera will handle bright skies and dark shadows much better in the same shot without losing detail. For those who love slow motion, the standard Pocket 4 is expected to hit 4K resolution at a staggering 240 frames per second. This allows for buttery, smooth replays of action shots that previously required much larger, more expensive cinema cameras. One of the most talked about rumors involves a massive change to how the camera stores your footage. Leaked specs indicate that DJI might be moving away from the traditional microSD card slot in favor of 107 gigabytes of built-in high-speed internal storage. This storage is reported to be incredibly fast, reaching speeds of 800 megabytes per second, which is necessary for the high bitrate video the camera produces. While losing the card slot might worry some, the reliability and speed of built-in storage could prevent the card error issues that plague many creators. Additionally, the camera is expected to feature ActiveTrack 7.0, an AI-driven system that can recognize and follow subjects with much better accuracy, even if they temporarily disappear behind an object or turn their back to the lens. As we move into the middle of 2026, the competition is heating up with the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro and the Insta360 Luna. Comparing these three devices shows exactly where the industry is headed. The standard Pocket 4 is the perfect all-rounder for vlogging, but the Pocket 4 Pro, expected a few months later, is rumored to be a different beast entirely. The Pro model might feature a dual camera system, similar to what we see on high-end drones. This would allow for both a wide-angle view and a dedicated telephoto lens for zoomed-in shots without any loss in quality. While the standard model focuses on 4K, the Pro version is rumored to support 8K video at 30 frames per second or 6K at 60 frames per second, making it a viable B-roll camera for professional film sets. On the other side of the fence, Insta360 is preparing to launch the Luna. This camera is designed to be the ultimate rival to DJI's dominance in the gimbal market. Unlike DJI, which uses a mechanical gimbal, the Insta360 Luna is rumored to rely on a mix of a smaller mechanical stabilizer and world-class digital flow state stabilization. The Luna is expected to lean heavily into AI-powered editing and invisible stick technology. Rumors suggest the Luna will have a sensor even larger than 1 inch, possibly a 4/3 inch sensor, which would give it a massive advantage in low-light situations. While the DJI Pocket 4 Pro wins on pure mechanical stability and resolution, the Insta360 Luna might win on portability and smart software features that make editing a video for social media much faster. The audio capabilities of these cameras are also a major point of comparison. DJI is upgrading the Pocket 4 to an Osmo Audio 4-channel system, which captures sound from all directions and uses AI to cancel out wind noise. This is a huge deal for solo creators who don't want to carry external microphones. The Insta360 Luna, meanwhile, is rumored to feature a modular audio jack that allows for tiny snap-on microphones, giving users more flexibility. In terms of battery life, DJI is aiming for a faster charging experience rather than just a bigger battery. The Pocket 4 is rumored to charge from 0 to 80% in just 15 minutes, which is a lifesaver when you are traveling and only have a few minutes near a power outlet. Feature-wise, the Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to include advanced connectivity like Wi-Fi 7 and O5 transmission technology. This would allow the camera to send a high-definition live feed to a remote monitor or smartphone over a much longer distance, making it useful for remote directing. The standard Pocket 4 will likely stick to Wi-Fi 6E, which is still very fast but more suited for close-range transfers. The Insta360 Luna is expected to counter this with a global connect feature that allows for seamless cloud uploading as you shoot, provided you have a 5G signal. This comparison highlights a clear divide. DJI is building a high-performance optical tool, while Insta360 is building a smart, connected ecosystem for the modern social media age. The design of the Pocket 4 series also emphasizes durability. The gimbal motors are rumored to be stronger, allowing the camera to be used in slightly windier conditions without the gimbal going limp. There are also rumors of an official waterproof housing that integrates better with the controls than previous versions. For the Insta360 Luna, the design is expected to be more rugged and adventure-ready, possibly even featuring some level of native water resistance without a case. This makes the Luna a better choice for hikers and extreme sports enthusiasts, while the DJI Pocket 4 remains the king of the talking head and cinematic travel video. Looking toward the future of the product line, the April 16th announcement is just the beginning of a very busy season. It is likely that DJI will also mention new accessories, such as an updated creator combo that includes a redesigned wireless mic and a battery handle with even more capacity. The rumors of the Lido X1 drone being announced alongside the Pocket 4 suggest that DJI wants to provide a complete travel kit for 2026. This would allow creators to have a tiny drone for the air and a tiny gimbal camera for the ground, both fitting into a small shoulder bag. The convenience of this setup is why so many people are eagerly waiting for the live stream. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 looks like it will be a significant upgrade that addresses almost every small complaint people had about the previous version. By boosting the dynamic range, adding internal storage, and improving the frame rates for slow motion, DJI is ensuring that they stay ahead of the pack. The comparison with the upcoming Pocket 4 Pro and the Insta360 Luna shows that users will soon have a wealth of choices depending on whether they value high-resolution video, mechanical stability, or smart AI features. Regardless of which one you choose, the April 16th announcement marks the start of a new era for portable filmmaking. It has never been easier to capture professional-looking memories, and the Pocket 4 is leading that charge.